Yes. I'm back out here with y'all again. Look, I'm out here in Mother Nature, okay? Yes. Tap on in with me for a second, right? Yeah, I got a few things. I'm just out here enjoying enjoying this weather. I did me a little running a little bit, right? Did a little push-ups a little bit, right? Got real hot and sweaty real fast. yes. I get in and out of my exercising, you guys. I get in and out of it, right? I might go hard for like a month. I might work constantly for like a month working out. Then I might stop for like 2 months. Yeah, I got to work on my discipline in working out, which is crazy, right? You would think, because I got I got boys actually that's actually trainers, workout trainers, and fitness, right? So I don't know why I'm not constantly. I don't put that in my constantly routine, right? I just like I say, that part of discipline uh, is still something that I have to work on, right? Uh, I, it's it's sort of like I get some disciplines. I have some disciplinary orders in check, right? And then some I don't, right? Uh, like probably we all do, right? We kind of have a hard time staying focused to our discipline, the things that we put out there, and it's sort of like one thing that I constantly stay disciplined on though is uh, my new my new energy uh, of life, my new energy of positivity, my new energy of love, strength, and and fellowshipping with other brothers, with other men and women that's that's also into being into being better, into being free thinkers, into just looking for something more than what this universe actually put out here uh, for us to gravitate towards, which we all know that's not right, and which we all know that's hurting our cultures, right? So that's one thing that am very disciplined in. So in that department, hey, it's okay, right? But some other some other things that I need to work on. That's why I constantly uh, I reach out to you guys on here. That's why I constantly take videos here and there. Uh, that's why I constantly do this, and because of I need this type of energy just as well as I'm putting it out there, right? You know, so hey, yeah, I like coming out here though. Like I say, just you clear your mind, you guys. Then you get to you hear and see difference of the world. Look at them, they out there on their boats. You see, look at that. Now see, that's one of the things right there. Yeah, that's one of the things right there. I'm still trying to get to, right. Like I got like I am part of a boat club, right? That that I haven't yet. Oh, thing came in and rocked this doggone boat. Whoa. Whoa. That's a little whoa. There go another one. Yeah, I love them boats though. I love the boat ride up. Y'all feel it? Yeah, like I say, this quiet, quiet, peaceful walks in wood areas. It's very, very relaxing, and also it's very, very it's very. You can feel it to your spirit. Like it seems like you connecting with the earth. You connecting with the world out here. Sort of like they're coming back this way. I'm out here like I'm on this little pure boat thing. It's like a little boat. Boats coming through, so it's making it's the waves and stuff making a little. I'm in this little shadow boat thing. It's making it wave with the waves. Yeah, that's a nice boat too. Lights on. That's the Richies right there. That's the rich kids right here. You can tell. It's a nice boat. They're going through the little tunnel. They yelling when they come to the tunnel. I remember when my daughter was young, anytime we used to go up and down a hill or underneath a bridge or anything when we're in the car, I have her to hold her hands out like this here, like we're on a roller coaster. We'll just be, woo, like we on a roller coaster. Okay, listen, I'm just tapping in. Look, I'm out here in the sunlight, out here in the wilderness. Out here in the wilderness, catching up on my little workout program. I just started today again. Right? Let's see how long we can be disciplined for this. I have went a week straight, right? But like I say, after about 3 weeks, then that's when it kind of go to falling down, you know. That's when I should pick it up, because I done made it past the weeks, right? And look, I'm okay. Look at me, you know, I ain't too bad. You know, finna be 52 here in a couple weeks. It's 52-year-old body. I ain't too bad. Just gotta tone them up a little bit. Like me and my grandbaby say, hey, I like kicking it out here, man. With you guys, tapping in on this thing with you guys. Like I say, I put out this good positive energy because that's what I would want as well. That's what I need, right? You put out what you need most, right? So when you see me coming on here, and my equipment not really ready, or I'm just coming in for a second, or I'm just saying this, or I'm just saying that, or I'm just rattling, right? It's only because you guys, uh, the spirit in me loves connecting and love talking about the positive forces in life, and also the negative forces in life, right? Uh, the spirit in me love speaking about truth, honesty, uh, choices, right? Wrong or right, okay? The spirit in me loves connecting, reaching out, networking, uh, being creative, speaking from the heart, speaking what I feel, speaking what I want to hear, right? The spirit in me loves this. So that's why, hey, I get on here, good or bad. I get on here with something to say, or, um, I'm always have something to say, right? Because I'm always thinking, like I say, this is one discipline that's really a part of my life, and that is speaking love, positive, and giving love and positive out there to the universe, and being thankful for the years that's gone, and being thankful for the years, right, that I have ahead of me. Wrong or right, uh, how it comes out, right? But all I do know is, hey, I am enjoying and I'm thankful to be here. My birthday is coming up in a couple of weeks, okay? So, hey, like I told you, I'm gonna keep popping up on here. You know what I'm saying? And I haven't even uh, I haven't even had the chance yet to get all of my functions working, and all of my networks connected. I haven't even had a chance to do none of this yet. Okay, so hey, it's a pleasure to just be over here. It's a pleasure to just be on here. It's a pleasure when you guys even just tap in and just check in with me, right? That's also a pleasure. Okay, so listen, I'm finna get ready to get on up out of here. Till next time, right? You know my saying: peace, love, and blessings.